In today's video, I am going to teach you how to forward your Yahoo emails to Gmail. To get started, open your web browser and go to Gmail. Make sure you are signed in to the Gmail account where you want your Yahoo mail to be sent. Once you are in your inbox, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct account, because the forwarding and import settings you choose will apply to the account you are currently using. Next, look to the top right area of the Gmail screen. This is where Gmail keeps the main controls for settings and preferences. Click the small settings icon to open the quick settings panel. This panel gives you a few shortcuts, but for forwarding and importing, you will need the full settings menu. Now in that panel, click See All Settings. This takes you to the complete Gmail settings page, where different tabs organize all the features you can adjust. It is normal to see several tabs across the top, and each one focuses on a different category. From here, click the tab labeled Accounts and Import. This section is specifically for bringing messages in from other email services and for managing how Gmail connects to other accounts. It is the right place to be when your goal is to move email from Yahoo into Gmail. Once you are on Accounts and Import, look for the option called Import Mail and Contacts, and click it. This starts the import process, which is the tool Gmail provides for pulling messages and contact information from another email provider into your Gmail account. As a general tip, keep this settings page open while you work, and avoid switching Gmail accounts in another tab at the same time, since that can create confusion about which account you are editing. Also, if you do not see the option right away, scroll a little within the Accounts and Import tab, because some settings are placed farther down the page depending on screen size. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.